Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your AliExpress account, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your AliExpress account, start by visiting the AliExpress homepage. Log in with your existing account credentials. Navigate to the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on the profile icon to access your account settings. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Within the account settings, look for the option labeled Security. Click on Security to find the password reset options. You will see an option for Change Password. Click on that option to proceed. Enter your current password in the designated field. Next, type your new password in the specified area. Ensure your new password meets the security requirements listed on the page. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. After confirming, click on the Save or Submit button. If you forgot your current password, return to the login page. Click on the Forgot Password link. Enter the email address associated with your AliExpress account. Check your email for the password reset link sent by AliExpress. Follow the instructions in the email to set a new password. After successfully resetting your password, log back into your account. You have now completed the reset process for your AliExpress account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.